going to stay here. We won't overtake. I just want to see what happens with the autopilot. That's good. These cars are moving out, so there's no one behind me, because it will likely brake.
Hello and welcome to Toothless Tesla. Recently, 2 million Teslas were recalled due to autopilot issues. Although limited to the US, I can tell you that this is a worldwide problem because I have had autopilot problems for over 4 years. And also on Stonecutters Bridge, the speed limit is 80, but the Tesla GPS is 110. So Tesla said they are aware of this, but they've only been aware of it for, say, a few weeks. They said 2 or 3 weeks. But I started posting or uploading videos on my vlog about this problem at least 2 months ago in June. So let's see how long it takes Tesla in Hong Kong to fix this GPS problem. I deliberately kept this video to under 10 minutes, so please watch part 2, where I will show you some apparent improvements to autopilot and the actual reality. Basically, Tesla has been standing still with its autopilot function and allowing competitors to catch up. Stay here, we won't overtake. I just want to see what happens with the autopilot. That's good. These cars are moving out, so there's no one behind me, because it will likely brake. Okay, let's see what happens here. It says auto steer on this is disabled, it says. So it's braking. And Tesla has stopped completely. I put my foot on the pedal. It should not stop completely. That is really dangerous. It's still stopped. I'm still trying to engage, but it won't engage. So I disengage and I try to re-engage. So the cruise control works, and now just about here the autopilot goes on. So that's very worrying in terms of safety, road safety. It's not very good at all. Slow down, let this guy overtake. He'll come in. I'll slow down and see what happens with autopilot. He'll detect him. Okay, that's good.
That's always the problem with Stonecutters Bridge. There's always a problem there. We'll just stay here behind this lorry. Stay. So something like this, which is quite straightforward, we expect the autopilot to be working normally, which it is. Up to our exit. See a lot of queue jumpers ahead. They'll just go out on the outside lane and then cut back in. This is the closest we are at 1, closest distance we can get to the car, but it's still quite a big gap, so someone else can actually just come in and cut in, like this taxi. They'll try to all cut in. These are all queue jumpers. You to stay right. Whoa, I don't know what's happening here. This guy is just a queue jumper. Oh, look at that. Female. She's a queue jumper. She knows she's jumping in. I'm just using autopilot. But that's the type of Hong Kong drivers that you get here. These are all still queue jumpers here. Look at this. Queue jumpers. Not very good, Tesla. You're letting them all jump in. See what happens here. Okay, that's the end of this experiment.
Thanks for watching and stay safe.